subscribe, like, comment, and share. Shop Boss TV Production.
Poor people are crying. Poor people are crying. Poor people are crying. People are suffer. Yes, people call it man Shop Boss TV people. We don't know. Yeah, man, Shop Boss TV people, right people. We don't know. Call it man Shop Boss TV people. We don't know. Shopping anything and everything. People are Shop Boss. Let me know what I want with them people. Calling people, talk about things. Them people Shop Boss TV.
Brother.
I think I like
Brother. No, you had no brother. No, you had no man wanted by the woman in here. Woman, are you calling me now? Brother, I'm with my girl. I'm sure. Come on, man, come on, China.
Yo, one thing in the Rambo. You know, ready pan? Yeah, you to come asleep our mattress. And also, yeah, you to, you know, you used to walk barefoot when I place. Yeah, that barefooted. You walk on hungry in a blouse and skirt.
Oh, you smell like that.
Right, and so, yo, no Akichi could stay with occupying about at one time. And watch you watch your man. You just clean up yourself right there, you drive all Honda. Really out, man, to say, go through all the struggling, say, boy can't talk to you. No boy can't talk to you, brother.
That boy know about me.
You see what I say? You don't know. You're going to league. You're going to league all the whole away. Watch it. Honda, you park up, bad man. I smell Honda still.
Alright, I'm glad to hear that.
You see? People, see that? So when you're trying a life, don't give up. Like a Yute, you see it? They might used to walk out barefoot people. Yo, people, they might used to walk out barefoot people. They might used to hunt every hockey tree boy of people. You understand what I say? Sometimes the man hungry, that's how he can full of rat. And watch ya. See him? I'm keeping all in lane, clean up. You see me I say? I clean up all in lane people. MP and PM. You see that? But I do something wrong right to some people if you go more with the rubbish. Yeah. But serious thing, people, you don't know. You don't come from nothing to something. You hear that? See look at that. So you know next step I house him I go for, you see it? Yeah man. Real out boy. Real boy. Yo! Where are you? Yo! Oh that! Yo! Beep! Yo, brother. Yo, hey! Something dead, people, something dead. Brother, yo, go for something. Yo, go, oh, yo, go for, yo.
Fuck you, everyone, and the marks out in the temp saying no one. And the marks out in the temp saying no one.
No, I'm to whisper.
Then they look good, brother.
Whisper.
Touch that dog.
Bad man, you don't know. Yo, man, what kind of thing that? Whisper, what kind of thing that, bro?
Fuck them thing, I'm gonna like them, man. Watch it.
Yo, whisper, look at literally lane there with whisper. I'm telling you, where we are, I'm telling you. Bad man, man, check some, yo.
The rubbish brother, stomp the rubbish brother. Look at that boy. Stomp the thing when I stop live brother, look at the publicity here. Sing a look good man, I tell you a look good brother, still stomp the rubbish brother. Right now, I have my bag of rubbish brother, you want to go and go like that sister.
Yeah.
We over some of the girls and they
Yo, I have to tell you, we said to 50 gun last night, say, yo, I can't go on back road, you see it? 50 gun, I say, well, can't go back road. We have to carry the girl from back road, come give him.
That's nice.
So, Katie, more. So, if I carry the man well bush, okay, you encourage it? I bring him across the road and came back. Yo, Katie. Right away, your mother, me see come calling the man. But the man a big man, bro.
No, we don't know. When matter big man, when trouble come a sheet over the pan. When trouble come a sheet over the pan.
Catch trouble.
When nothing about trouble, catch trouble.
50 get down, 50 go down, no trouble.
Stay inside, she can't see man.
You all make him look like a gold man, bro. You can't name gun, 50 gun, you see what I say? You're not keeping me like say boy, you not hide him like, you know. B. Yo, B, yo, not keeping him down like a, yo. You can't keep it down the way there.
No, if anything happen now.
Yo, alright, here I said, change him name from 50 gun, them kind of name sound dangerously. Change him name from 50 gun to Whisper, because, you know, Whisper, because in the hall is a whisper. Eh? What you say about that?
Yeah.
But the man a big man, bro. 50, yeah, you know. Because I'm a police, you know. I may say a man in 50 gun, you know, I dig them in place. Whisper, we call him Whisper. You hear that? Yeah.
What the back of the
Yes, people, this is the ice cream man. Sheldon, the ice cream man, people. Yes, now say, see my people.
My boy 10 can a while ago, I can buy 2 little 3-5 so, you know?
Yeah. Yes, people, ice cream. See ice cream man.
Flat, nothing guinea.
We sell out police ice cream.
Come back with 5 tomorrow. It's up now. What? Yeah, I'm bike, alright. Yo, where are you? You know what about that, brother?
Brother. Yo.
We can go put 2 new bands. We can put 2 new bands plate for my bike.
Sheldon, the man say him car is...
Now I run from the police. We stay and then I start cross road. In a half a chin and we put that and show out.
Clean up or go on today. So the girl let me come sit with him later.
Brother, it's a look good 15.
Yo, brother, I'm going to talk to you now. The car is fixed today.
Alright, man.
But you say alright? The man said, I'm going to carry forward, but bad man, I'm going to take a stack of reverse. So what I want?
That's something there, brother.
What?
The 2D in the car, brother.
When I...
2D. I'm phoning this man, I'm not no matter. The man car, alright. I don't tell him to go buy him. And you put it in something there?
Alright.
You can't pack them no good, so you never had a report, so you can't have bitch them up to making a report and run.
Yo, bad man, sell me ice cream. Yo, sell me ice cream, man. I don't want a cone ice cream coming there licking thing like a police.
Cone for $150.
Yo, I don't want a cone by ice cream. I don't want a police ice cream.
Like you Kyle pack, so you can't charge, man. Enough mechanic are gone and I want Kyle pack to never take the money from you. You know them, brother? You go down and say Kyle pack and just take out the Kyle pack and do so. Maybe take the money more than sorry. Buy me a juice. Still take 15 bills on it.
Bad man, let me spot my yo.
Me take 15 bills and no come and say nah, go come back.
Yo, push some more my yo. You rubbish, bro.
When you buy the Kyle pack, then him can put them.
Bad man.
Leave something with me because you would buy them and put them in.
Push all the rubbish some more about it. Ice cream, ice cream, Sheldon. Push I think. Push, I think, bro. Yo. My youth. The rubbish I run back down. Yo, I want to take my blood clap. Yo. No bad boy. Yo, I'm gonna play some ball now. When the DNA, it's the star boost. What's the upturn in the Yo, it's yo. I can't come in my yard. Watch it. Some dog, watch it dog do the shovel. The people do the shovel. Watch it.
Brother, we are shovel and my shovel, brother.
Watch it. Watch it. I dog do this now. Dog know that you know. Dog that mama.
Come on, say that, babe. Say that. Oh, you're a girl, say. You right now, right now, like I not feed the dog. You walk this one and the blood.
You can't feed dog every day. You want to feed it to dog. What? Tim.
Yeah, the worst one I've ever seen.
You don't feed it. You're bad man. You can't feed dog every day. You have to feed dog tonight and also tomorrow you feed him. Tomorrow we can get more hungry. Since when you see man like all you coming away, you know, your lunch and dinner and breakfast, everything. You know what I'm saying? Yes! Yo, hear myself. Brother, Virgin, my lane clean and look good and not play. You hear that? One lane clean and look good, bad man snack, no pay. Yes, people, see the monk, hey, see the pitbull them, my boy. Watch the pitbull them. Pitbull. Portmore. Yeah, sir. On the stick. Bombard. Yeah, watch out. You think of Santa Claus is Jamaican, brother? What you feel like?
Yeah, Christmas cake, yeah.
Where? Munch ya. You want munch with Christmas? You want munch with Christmas? Look at that. Watch out, look at that eye them. Eyelash. Look at that eyelash. Yo. Watch it. Shall we come eyelash? You see? Yes, people, a good girl, people, see? I can't salvage your cook in the evening. Enough girl can't cook a clan salvage, people. You understand what I say? They say they cook that tough and taste raw, but I know that girl she can cook. Look for her. Hot girl. Yo, Dean. I be a cheap with the bag, I can buy a 5 this bag. Yes, people. Munchy bar, people. See? This is a shine girl. You understand what I say? Yeah, there's some police come violate her, you see me? We don't know. Shine girl, people. See that? Can come Munchy place, people, come buy panties. We don't talk the man them. Ladies, come buy panties and shorts, t-shirts, and all of this. Watch out, all these things, people. See that? See that? Tell me them and all these things, people. Yeah, man. So you don't know people can come at bar, want to drink, come buy rum and special and all these things, people. And if you don't short a blouse and shirt and panty. Yeah. See that? Alright, people. All the Munchy bar. Yo, it's become like a country. Mango tree. Millie mango there. Soursop tree there. Like coconut tree. Watch the people. See it? Yes, people. No, come like a country there, you see it? Mango tree. Watch out, ackee tree. You see it? See that? That one. See the people. Yeah, shop boss place, people. School girl will come on school, just to come on school, people from evening. See that? Them just to come on school, people. Yes, me I say. Yes. Kids them feel nice, because they clean, people. Yeah, man. And these people, this is Bojo. International Bojo, the hot girl Bojo people. You don't know, Syria. You don't know. I hear style, see later when you see her do people, you know say a hot girl, but she's not hot now. It's not. Of course, full side win. Oh, yo, bad man, yo, me even like you talk about Bomba Argentina, bro. Me don't want you no more Argentina. No Argentina, babe. All. No Argentina, man, yo, babe, no Argentina. I want to tell you about Argentina. Yeah, the whole lot of love of Messi.